so much for pressing play on my video today. I am super excited that you could join us. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Before we get started, I've got a great tip to share with you. Now, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so by hitting that red subscribe button down below, or you can click that little girl that sits in the corner of your screen. Don't forget to hit that bell. That's going to notify you every time I upload a video. Any of the supplies that I use in today's video, you can find it down in the description. And if you click on that, that's going to head you on over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. We're going to flip the camera and we're going to get started. Stampin' Up! Carries some great tools for corner rounding your projects. We have the detailed trio punch, and we also have the envelope punch board. Now, some of you may not have either of these. So today I'm going to share with you other ways that you can corner round your projects with different tools that you may have. I'm going to set these guys off to the side. I've just got some scrap papers here, and there's no particular size. I have a 1-inch circle punch, and all you're going to do is you're going to put your piece of paper into your circle punch like so, and you're just going to give it a punch, and that is going to corner round your paper. You can do it with a 3/4 inch punch. And again, you're just going to slide your cardstock in, kind of as far as it will go, and you're just going to give it a punch. So you can see the difference. So this was the 1 inch, and this is the 3/4 inch. Slightly different, but not really. You can come in with a 1 1/4 inch, and again, you're just going to feed your cardstock through, and again, as far as it will go, and you're just going to give it a punch. So just another way that you can corner around your projects using some circle punches that you guys may have. Another one is this pretty label punch, and again, all you're going to do is add your cardstock, and again, as far as it will go. Super cool, you guys. So I hope you found today's tip useful. Now this here is there's a locking mechanism, so you just want to push it down, and that's going to release your punch. This here is the tailored tag punch, and again, it's got this great little flag piece that you can use to create a little flag. So again, just another great way to use one of your punches. Not everybody has this punch, the banner triple punch. So again, if you don't have this punch, you can always use the tailored tag punch. So I hope you guys found today's tip / trick useful, and will use it in your crafting space. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please share the video. Leave me a comment. I love hearing from you, and I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend, and I hope you'll join me back here on Monday. Take care.